Installing a Caseta by Lutron Diva Smart Dimmer is easy and takes as little as 15 minutes. First, turn the power off at the breaker. Double-check to make sure the power is off. In most situations, you only need a screwdriver and a pair of pliers to do the job. First, we will show you how to wire the initial dimmer. We will then show you how to install a Pico Smart Remote in a second location. Lastly, we'll show you how to adjust the dimming range. First, remove your existing switch. If you have 2 switches that control this light, you should have 3 wires plus a ground connected to your old switch. Take a piece of electrical tape and tag the wire connected to the different colored screw of the existing switch. This is typically a black wire. Then remove your existing switch. Connect the ground wire, typically a bare copper wire, to the green wire on the dimmer. Connect the tagged wire to the black wire on your new dimmer. Connect the remaining 2 wires from the wall to the red wire on the dimmer. Cap the blue wire, mount the control, and move to the second location. Now we will install your wireless smart remote. Cap the ground wire, typically a bare copper wire. Then connect all 3 wires together with a wire nut. Install a wall mount kit over the existing box. Turn the power back on at the breaker. Check that the dimmer turns the light on and off. Then press and hold the off button on the dimmer for 6 seconds until the LED on the dimmer starts blinking. Then press and hold the off button on the wireless smart remote for 6 seconds until the light you're controlling flashes 3 times. Repeat these steps for any additional wireless smart remotes. Now that your dimmer is installed, adjust the low end of the dimming range to improve bulb performance. Pull the front accessible service switch, also known as FAS, out to the open position. Push and hold the off button. While continuing to hold the off button, push the FAS into the closed position. Continue to hold the off button for approximately 6 seconds until the bar blinks. Then release the off button and use the slider to readjust the low end level. Finish and save the new trim level by pushing the off button again. And that's it. For FAQs and helpful hints, visit CasetaWireless.com.